tiny tutorial on sound, 2D and 3D sounds. Just, it's just one of those things that I remember I didn't know, and I was all happy when I found out. So, well, let's see if someone else is, also in that same boat. Here is an object, and here is my camera. I'm going to move. Actually, you know what? On the camera, I'm going to take away the audio listener. So the audio listener, you can only ever have one of these in a scene. Right? Audio listener. So my virtual ear is on this guy. Okay? Now if I create, we'll say a cube, and I put a audio source, we'll give him a clip. Let's go something like that. And play on awake and loop. Okay. Now if I hit play and I move my virtual ear around. Okay, well, let's temporarily disable that because we don't need to see a million cubes falling on our heads. Right? Nothing changes. No matter where the player is to our sound source, nothing matters. And that's because he is spatial blending 2D sound. 2D. Doesn't matter. It just plays. Great for a lot of things. Obviously for some things it's not good. Now if I move this to 3D, and normally you'd want to change this because this blend is completely horrendous. I can go linear. And let's go a max distance of say 20. You can now see I get the circle. I can also adjust it by this. Right? But now, if you hear it, you can't hear it. It's gone. It's playing. And if I move in closer, it's getting louder and louder. So that's 3D sound. So great for some things, crappy for other things, but great for some things, right? And then you could also run through mixers. I won't get into mixers today. That's a little more deeper of a thing. But anyways, there are 3D to 2D sounds. We'll talk to you in the future.